Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Grey Wolf 22RR toy hauler. This camper comes in at 29 feet tongue to bumper and weighs right at 5,300 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. We have the hard shell cover with the quick access lid. Diamond plate rock guard. We have your curved radius front end here. Front storage compartment is going to have this magnetic door catch up here. Lots of storage up front. We have the integrated light built into it already. We have your 15-foot power awning with the blue LED accent light. Each leg is adjustable. If the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning there. And then right down below here, we actually have the holographic light with the wolf head emblem. So at nighttime, that'll really pop and separate you from the others. The camper is also equipped with electric jacks in the front and back. And how that works, that one leg will come down and hit the ground first, the other one will come down and they will equal out in pressure to stabilize the camper for you. We have a full-size entrance door. It is the black tempered glass door with a built-in window. We have your full-size screen door, oversized grab handle, sturdy steps going in where each leg is adjustable. Outside speakers that light up blue with a TV bracket in the middle. You simply drop your TV in out here and hook it up. We do have a vent up top. This camper will have cross ventilation since it's a toy hauler. If you're hauling anything with fumes, you can keep it aired out as you're going down the road. Furnace vent here. Center cap is popped off. These are the quick, easy loop axles. All four wheels are going to have self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. The side of this will turn red if you're low on air. So we'll unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you could just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. In the back here, we are pet friendly. We have your leash latch so the furry family members can tag along. And also, as we're walking around, this does have the adventure package with the diamond plate bottom there and the off-road oversized tires. In the back here, we have the patio system all set up for you. It does include a screen wall that will roll down to keep the bugs out. You'll see that with our pictures online. Bright LED light there and the backup camera already on the camper that is included. It has a ladder prep at the very top here, so you could buy a telescoping ladder, hook it in there for roof maintenance purposes. We have your other side for the vents, for that cross ventilation. And then of course down underneath we have your sewer hose tube to store your sewer hose when traveling. This is a 30 amp unit and it comes with a 25-foot detachable power cord. We have this light over here by your dump station and connection, so if it's nighttime you can see what's going on here. If the campground offers cable and satellite, you simply hook it up right here. Black tank flush for when you're done camping for the week or weekend. You hook your water hose up here. That'll blast out the tank for you. We have your hot and cold outside shower that is a low pressure spray port. Right underneath that, we have your water connections. On the left is the fresh water. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you can fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. The city water, you'd hook up your water hose and that'll pressurize the lines for you. Up front here, last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater. It is a tankless water heater, so gas only, about 65% more efficient than what we've used in the past, and you're only using gas when you're running hot water. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 22RR. Now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice we have another light shining down with the Grey Wolf emblem there. Moving inside, got your refrigerator, large pantry area, lots of room in the back. And we will go ahead and get started right inside the entrance door over here. We are going to have your main control panel where you can see how full and empty your tanks are. Turn on your water pump, your lights. This camper is also equipped with 12-volt heating pads on all of your holding tanks. Your awning switch is going to be located up there. We have your stereo, which is AM/FM and Bluetooth compatible, so you can sync your phone to it and play music that way. Overhead cabinets. We have this really large kitchen window here. 110 outlet on both sides. Nice counter space. We have your storage down below. Large farmhouse style kitchen sink with the high-rise faucet and the pull-out sprayer as well. We're going to have a 3-burner stove with the glass cover so you can use it as prep space if you're not cooking. Directly underneath that, we have your microwave, which is a convection microwave, and an air fryer, 3-in-1 there. Underneath with your furnace return. In the back, we are going to have your 2 sofas here with your dinette. We have a window on either side. Helmet rack up top. Again, there's the screen wall that you can roll down, but the patio system really opens everything up. Lets in a lot of fresh air, a lot of extra sunlight in here as well. We have a TV connection over here. You can see the connections up on the wall. You can install a TV bracket right underneath that. We have a 12-volt charge port there on the wall. And with the dinette, you could actually just pull the backs off of those and use them as 2 individual beds, or you can lower the table down, push the cushions together, and have 1 large sleeping area there. With the pantry, we'll open this up. Lots of great storage in here. Goes all the way down. Multiple shelves in here. With the refrigerator, this is a 12-volt fridge, so it is deeper than the gas electrics that we used to use. There is a 100-watt solar panel mounted on the roof already to help run this while traveling down the road. Underneath the fridge, we're going to have your breakers and fuses on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we have a 12-volt cutoff switch, which is the red key, and a voltmeter down below that. As you can see, they run the tie-down brackets all the way up front here. Lots of great tie-down spots. CO2 detector on the floor. We have your digital thermostat as we're moving into the hallway here. You're also going to have a bedroom entrance off to the right, and then the bathroom entrance here. So even if somebody is in the bathroom, you can still get in and out of the bedroom area. We have your toilet located in here at an angle. Right up above that, we have this max air vent fan, multiple speed exhaust fan there. Large medicine cabinet, great storage in there. Underneath, we're going to have a 110 outlet, and then your thermostat for the on-demand water heater. You can set your temperature there and turn it on and off. Large single bowl sink here. More storage down below. We are going to have the radius shower in here. Give you lots of room inside. We have the skylight up top. Extra light and room inside. And of course, the handheld sprayer there. Corner showers are great, giving you lots of room on the inside. And now we will move up into the bedroom area. This is equipped with a queen mattress here. All of the bedding is included with it. We have storage up above. The cabinets up top have doors on them, so you can utilize that while traveling as well. We have hanging storage over here, a 110 outlet. Also, there's a 12-volt charge port, and then that is also a docking station for a Bluetooth speaker that you could purchase separately and keep it charged up right there. Over here in the corner is another spot for a TV, so you can add a TV in the bedroom area if you'd like to. Also has like 2 built-in nightstands, one over here. We'll also have one on the other side. We have your lights right up above the bed. Again, with more hanging storage over here. There is a window on both sides of the bed. And then also down here on this side, we're going to have this 110 outlet. There is a 12-volt charge port. And what makes this unique is that 110 outlet has a built-in inverter. So when you're traveling down the road, if you pull over at a rest stop, you can turn that on and you will have power to that 110 outlet right there. And we will sneak back through the bathroom here, get a nice overview of the camper. And that will complete our walkthrough on the Grey Wolf 22RR. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.